Is an extract on the poem. Read the poem carefully and complete the activity. Simple factual activity. Put correct mark in front of true statement and wrong mark in front of false statement. The speaker stops watch to watch rain falling among the trees. The owner of the woods is known to the speaker. The horse is worried about the cold and wants to keep going. The speaker doesn't emphasize upon the beauty of woods he is passing through. Complete the following sentences. The speaker stops in dash. The season of the year is described in the poem. The day described in the poem is the speaker is riding on his dash. Fill in the blanks. The person who owns the woods lives in dash. Second sentence, the speaker stopped his horse at a place between dash and the woods. Third sentence, the speaker was really captivated by the dash. Fourth sentence, the little horse gives a shake to its dash attached to its neck. List the sounds mentioned in the poem. Next question, on what date every year is the darkest evening? Extract from start poem to end. Complex factual activity. Find out lines from the poem as a proof for the following explanation. There is no one to catch the speaker trespassing. Then second sentence, the little horse draws his master's attention. Next sentence, his horse seems anxious to keep going. D, the speaker prepares to stay but is forced to move onwards. Next sentence, the poem is set in bygone era. Why does the traveler have to leave the lovely woods? A3, activity based on poetic device. Tell whether the rhyming scheme of the following stanza is right or wrong. Give the correct rhyming scheme for the wrong one. In stanza A, B, C and D. Now match the lines of the poem with their figure of speech. Whose words those are? I think I know. Second sentence, the woods are lovely, dark and deep. And third sentence, and miles to go before I sleep. And miles to go I before sleep. Fourth sentence, my little horse must think it queer. Third question, give your own rhyming words for the following. House, woods, easy, wine, dark, watch. So match the words given in group A with their meaning in group B. A group, mistake, downy, flakes, woods, queer. B, strange, ice, error, jungle, soft, snow falling. So solve this passage in your extract in your notebooks as well as work.